Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can increase your egg web slot in Grow Garden so you can hatch more eggs quickly. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already joined Grow Garden game on Roblox, and then I'm going to show you how you can increase your egg web slot. You can go to the pad egg shop. I'm going to use my recall wrench to teleport to the pet egg shop. Okay, and you can talk to the NPC and show me the pet info. Oops. Okay, show me pet info. And you can go to the equip slot, and you need to have pet which has 20 age, because the required age for the next slot unlock is 20. And I'm going to choose one of my pet. For example, I'm going to choose my black cat, and then we can click on trade in selected pet, and I'm going to click on confirm. Okay, and now I have 4 equip slots. Okay, and for the next upgrade we need 30 age, and I'm going to choose this one. Okay, and I'm going to click on trade in selected pet. Okay, and let's see for the next unlock. Okay, we need 45. Okay, and then I'm going to go back to my garden, and I'm going to put more egg. I'm going to choose my egg, and as you can see guys, I have a lot of eggs here. Enchanted egg, and then the legendary egg, and yeah, you can put more egg. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.